To change a review on Etsy, you will need to follow these steps. First, go to Etsy and sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, click on the You tab at the top of the page. Then select Purchases and Reviews. On the Purchases and Reviews page, find the review you want to change and click on the Edit Review button next to it. This will take you to a new page where you can modify your review. Make any necessary changes to your review, including the rating and any text you have written. Be honest and fair in your review, as it will help other buyers make informed purchasing decisions. When you are finished making changes, click the Save Changes button. Your updated review will now be visible to other buyers on Etsy. It is worth noting that you can only edit a review within a certain time frame after it has been posted, so be sure to make any changes promptly. Additionally, keep in mind that reviews are an important part of the Etsy community, and they help to build trust between buyers and sellers. By following these steps, you can easily change a review on Etsy and help to ensure that your feedback is accurate and helpful to others. Remember to always be respectful and professional in your reviews, and to follow Etsy's review policies. If you need any help or have any questions, you can contact Etsy support for assistance. They will be happy to help you with any issues you are having with changing a review or with any other aspect of using the site.